I guess all of us know that, we have an idea of what our target market is. It might just boil down to the fact that our target market is anybody that wants a cleaning, right? That's a little broad, I think. It does make a difference. I think that if you really break it down, my target market, when I thought about it, people ended up in about three buckets. One was busy families with children. They're busy. They're carting kids all over the place. They need a cleaning service just to help them keep up. Money's usually a little bit of an issue because they got a lot going on. The second bucket I have are empty nesters. These are actually my favorite customers. Empty nesters are more mature adults, still working, probably towards the top of their career. Kids are gone, and they've got disposable income, and they just don't want to clean anymore. They did that, been there, done that, right? And so that is, personally, those are my favorites because they don't complain very much. They're happy for the service anyway. They're my favorite. And then my third bucket are seniors. Okay, we have a lot of senior customers, and of course, you guys understand their big deal is they want to stay in their house. There's certain things they can't do anymore, but they still need to be done. Budget is an issue, and so you got to understand that. So just think about it this way. If you're marketing, don't you think it helps to know who you're marketing to? Okay, because that's going to determine what words you choose, what pictures you choose, how you approach things, even on the phone. If you get a little information from somebody and you're talking to an empty nester versus a senior, would you approach that sales call differently? Okay, and I would say it would be smart if you spent a little bit of time, breaking down who your main customers are and what their needs and pain points are. The second thing, and I already mentioned, is to spend 5 to 10% of your marketing of your monthly revenue on paid marketing. Right? It doesn't matter what you do. Spray and pray if you like. Experiment. Do what works. If something works, keep at it. If something doesn't work, give it up or tweak it and try it again. But ultimately, you're going to pick something, and it should hopefully make the phone ring. And if it doesn't, don't keep doing it. Right? The next thing is capture 100% of your lead information. If they fill out a form, make sure you're getting enough information to provide a quote. All of my quote forms, not only do we get, name and email address and phone so that we can contact them, we also try to understand the desired service that they're looking for, the frequency that they're looking for, and that sort of thing, so that we have enough information that we can actually send them a quote if we don't get hold of them. My goal always is to send a quote if I can't get hold of them, not just to try to get hold of them, forever. And then once you provide a quote, and we provide 100%, of our leads that we capture lead information for, we provide them with the quote. Okay, and then once we have them in our funnel, then we're going to nurture that quote. We're going to nurture that quote, and for me, 28 days. Here I say minimum 2 weeks. I think that not everybody's ready to buy the first minute they talk to you. Sometimes they got to think about it. There's other things to consider. Maybe they're calling around. But stay in front of that prospect for at least 2 to 4 weeks.